What if I told you that a simple chatbot on your website could boost your revenue by 67%? And I'll even show you how you can make one for free right before the video ends. I've tested tons of tools for small businesses, and chatbots consistently increase sales conversions. In this video, I'll show you the top chatbot platforms, their monthly costs, and then I'll reveal how you can create your own chatbot with ChatGPT. No coding, no monthly bill. Now, a lot of businesses pay hundreds every month for a chatbot, but stick with me because I'm going to show you how you can get the same result with a chatbot you built for free. So let's start with the numbers because this is where things get exciting. Businesses that use chatbots report up to 40% boost in conversions, meaning more of your visitors actually turn into paying customers. On top of that, the average order value goes up by 10 to 25% because chatbots are great at upselling or recommending extra items. And here's the big one, chatbots can reduce cart abandonment by 20 to 40%. That's money you're leaving on the table without one. Overall, when conversational commerce is done well, businesses see anywhere from 7 to 25% increase in annual revenue. And that's why this space is exploding right now. Now, let's go through some of the most popular chatbot platforms available today so you can see what they cost and how they're positioned. First up, we've got Drift. Drift is really designed for enterprise and B2B companies. It focuses on what they call conversational marketing, which means qualifying leads, booking sales calls, and pushing people straight into your sales funnel. It's powerful, but it comes with a big price tag, often $2,500 a month or more. So this is usually out of reach for small businesses. Next, we have Intercom. This one is very well known. It's like the Swiss Army knife of customer support and chat. Intercom gives you live chat, automated bots, and even email campaigns all in one dashboard. It's widely used in SaaS and e-commerce. Pricing starts around $74 a month, but if you want the advanced features like automation and reporting, you could be looking at $499 a month or more. A more affordable option is TDO. TDO is very popular with small businesses because it's simple to set up, integrates easily with Shopify and WordPress, and the plans start at about $29 to $49 a month. They offer both live chat and AI automation, so it is a solid middle ground option. Then there's ManyChat. This one is especially popular for e-commerce and social media integration. ManyChat works really well with Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So if you're selling through social media platform, this is a great choice. Pricing is also pretty friendly, between $15 and $45 a month for most businesses. Another interesting one is called Crisp. This platform is a mix between live chat and chatbot automation, but it also adds features like shared inbox, help desk, and even video chat in some tiers. Their pricing runs about $25 to $95 a month, depending on how advanced you want to go. If you're already using HubSpot for your CRM and marketing, you get access to their chatbot builder as part of your plan. It's not the most advanced AI bot, but if you're already deep into HubSpot's ecosystem, it's basically included, which makes it a no-brainer for some companies. Now, besides the big names, there are new platforms popping up almost every month. Some charge a monthly subscription, while others are experimenting with a one-time fee. For example, tools like Vango AI are coming onto the scene with different pricing models. So it's definitely a growing market with more and more options every year. But here's the catch. All of these tools eventually add up. Some are hundreds of dollars per month, others are thousands, and for small businesses, that's a real barrier. This is why I want to show you how you can build your own chatbot with ChatGPT for a fraction of the cost, and in some cases, practically free. Now, here's where it gets fun. Instead of paying $30, $300, or even $3,000 a month for a chatbot, you can actually build your own using ChatGPT. And it's way simpler than it sounds. All you really do is ask ChatGPT to generate a lightweight chatbot for your website. You give it your brand colors, your fonts, and some basic details about your business, like your hours, services, FAQs, and it spits out a ready-to-use block of code. Now that code can then be dropped right onto your website, and it instantly creates a floating chat button in your colors with a simple window where visitors can ask questions. No servers, no APIs, no monthly bill, just pure front-end code that lives on your site and answers the things you've taught it. To give you an example, I created a chatbot for a pizza shop. I gave ChatGPT the shop's menu, delivery areas, and store hours. When a visitor clicks on the chat, they can ask about toppings, see today's specials, and even build a simple pizza order step by step. It's all hard-cooked knowledge, nothing fancy, but incredibly useful for answering common questions and keeping customers engaged. Now, the beauty of this setup is that it's free and self-contained, but if you want to take things further, you can connect your chatbot to an API. On WordPress, there are plugins like AI Engine, ChatGPT AI Power, where you just paste in your OpenAI API key, and with that, your chatbot becomes much smarter. It can understand natural language, reference your entire website, and even integrate with WooCommerce or other systems to handle live orders. So you've got two choices. Keep it simple with a local knowledge-based chatbot that's free and fast, or level up with an API connection that gives you the full ChatGPT experience. Either way, you're not locked into paying hundreds of dollars every month to get a chatbot on your site. Alright, that's it for this one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And hey, I've got a free book packed with strategies to help you grow your online business. The link is down in the description, so grab your copy while it's still available. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next one.